How to wash the face in wudu, because I find it hard to wash the face with 3 hands full of water, especially the nose and the eyes and the lips area.
Okay. So we have to do it practically. Taking off my glasses, then lifting up my head gear, and I don't know, I'm going to do it again. I can't even see you guys. Who's this? First of all, wudu is one of the simplest things in life. The Prophet ﷺ used to perform wudu with this much of water. And we spend gallons making wudu. When you want to make wudu, you wash your hands 3 times. This is sunnah. Can I skip it? Yep, you can skip it. Secondly, you want to wash your mouth and nose. Put a little water in your right hand. How much water do you think I have? 1 or 2 tablespoons of water. Very little. And then I take half of a scoop in my mouth, and the other half I try to pull up my nostrils from that 1 or 2 tablespoons. And I blow my nose and I turn the water in my mouth and I spit it out. Once is enough. You want to repeat it twice, 3 times, you're okay. 3 is the max. Then I put water in my hand, 1 or 2 tablespoons. I combine my hands. So the water is very little. And then I do this. That's it. I don't have to do this or go in the nose and the side of the eyes and the lips and the mustache. And what are you doing? This is not a surgery. It's an easy thing. Put water. This is my face. Whatever faces people. Once is enough. Sheikh, I don't know. Maybe I've missed a part here or a part here or a part here. Akhi, you're not allowed to make such doubts. Let me fix myself up first. Maybe I get proposals. You never know. So you are not allowed to make shaitan open the Pandora box for you. It's a simple process. Just wash your face and move on. What about my hand? Put the same thing in your right hand. Do this. The water drips a little bit. You do this. Voila. C'est fini. Same thing with the left. It's very easy, and you'll still find water remaining in that mug. In contrast to turning on the tap and keep on doing this for half an hour, wasting gallons of water. Shaitan is clapping. Excellent work. Keep up the good work. This is not from Islam. So I hope this answers your question and it annihilates your wiswas.